Today we're going to troubleshoot this U11E9 code that's throwing a check engine on this 2015 Jeep Cherokee. So what that is communication with this little fan blade that's up in the front. There they are. And what would happen is this vehicle had a small collision here, and it pinched the wire just perfectly right here and cut it. So all I simply did was use some butt connectors, just like those. Butt connector. I crimped them, taped them. Now I'm going to tape this whole bunch together, clip everything back to the way it goes, and that should fix it. Alright, there's everything nice and taped up. Now we'll go ahead and just plug everything back in, and the retainer clips for the wires as well. Just clip them all down there where they belong. And we'll go ahead and plug it here. And we'll plug this main. Goes right over here. And then these two just slide down and it clips down just like so. This one just goes right underneath that little hook there. Just like so. Right. Now let's go ahead and plug this one in. So it goes right there on that pigtail. Alright, and there it is, nice and plugged in. Now let's go ahead and reset that code. Alright, so here we are. Go ahead and erase that. Erase successful. Let's go ahead and start it up. Sweet. No more check engine. This one's permanent until you do a drive cycle and it goes away. But I should have took care of it. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.